So guys, for the first time, lulusong si Kapitana at ang ating barangay tanod, Madam Carmelita. For the first time, lulusong sila rito. They're gonna go deep in the waters. No, iinit yan afterwards. They're gonna try fishing, guys. There you go. The other team is on the other side. There you go. Ating chairwoman. Let's see if they got any catch. There you go, guys. So guys, another catch.
Ha? Uy, may ano, ligasin? May ano, may crabs.
Uy, crabs, ang laki.
Crabs,
Ang laki ng crabs.
ayan, sa balde, may tubig.
So yan guys, another harvest.
Ano kalaki ito? Ayan o.
Lalaki ng croaker fish. Ito, laki ng crabs na nahuli. Big crab.
Talaki.
Laki
Ako
ng
yung
blowfish.
ano, Boss Bobby, tanggalin mo yung isang sipit.
Tanggalin mo yung sipit.
Kakainin niya yung...
Sisirain niya yung isda. Yun no, nakurot na. Blue crab pa. So guys,
Ikaw mag-ano?
the
Ikaw
water is
mag-ubo.
already hot. There's the soup already been set.
Oh, budong buksen.
There you go. Hot water. Huwag sobra dami ng sabaw.
O, yung dalawang inday na basari ang fresh pepper. Ako, kape.
Kapi raw to.
Lakas tayong dalang mo. Ako, gusto ko kape eh. Kaya lang wala ng tubig. May pantubig.
Meron, may tubig pa dyan.
Hindi pang tubig.
May tubig ka pa ba? Akala ko Sprite yun.
Ay,
Akala ko Sprite yun eh.
Sprite.
So guys, second set tayo. They're going to prepare some coffee. There's the coffee mate. So it's getting colder here. Madam Myra's preparing some coffee mate. Oh, there you go. Madam Tita's over there, the crew. So guys, did you like your hot soup? Warm in your stomach? There you go, you heard them answer. Oh, still.
Siyempre.
Nice. Yeah, kompleto ka ng steel product. Oh, muusok guys. Hot coffee.
Kapitana! Ay, kapitana!
Busy. Let me turn over here. I couldn't see her face.
Kasi itong barangay tanod na to, ayayain niya ako sa mga...
Eh kasi naman kapitana, sabi mo, pinapandaw yung ating lambat doon, kaya babrasuhin ko sana. Diba? Utos mo kasi kapitana eh.
Lamig ko tuloy ngayon.
Magtitinang kaya ako yan eh.
Ay, mainit tabo para mainit ang mura mo.
Napakainit nito.
There you go. Hot coffee. Nice.
Ay, ito oh, puno eh. Baka maghihikad dyan.
Pwede naman gawin yan.
There you go. How about the hot soup, brother? You finished it?
Yeah, almost
Nice.
done.
Yeah, it's so hot. Nice for the stomach. Sambalin,
Kasalong ka po.
sambalin mo nga.
Ah, bahak-bahak.
Ay, kami matagal sa ano, sa Balon.
eh. Doon
So,
na,
third
banda
catch
doon
of the
na.
day, guys. Of the night. This is their third harvest. Oh, wow, spot fish. Fresh. So big. All right, there's another
Ayun,
harvest over there.
Okay lang ito. Malalaki.
Yeah, very big.
Pa-open
You can see the croaker. Open the...
Open sesame.
There you go.
ay, bakit mo na isa?
Ayan.
Oh, wow.
Dami yan.
Big spot fish, pang ihaw.
Mga crabs.
Ang lalaki. Jackpot kung bibili mo sa boat yan, magkano isang 150 ba o mahigit? Nice.
Para daw may pampangat namin.
So guys, our fourth harvest. Wala pa raw laman tong isang container.
Tuloy natin lahat. Balik natin yun.
Mhm. Pag may shad, pakawalan nyo na ha. Lex, pakawalan mo yung shad. Yun, yung plat na yun. Bawal hulihin. Ah, sardines ba yan? Nakakala ko shad eh.
Pampano.
Hindi, ano yan? Butterfish. Butterfish yan.
Masarap yan sa paksiw.
Pampano ba? Pampano nga no.
Ito lang ang aking
Pampano ba? Akala ko butterfish.
Pampano?
O, hindi ba butterfish?
Parang yellow tail tawag nila.
Salay-salay.
O, dito raw muna. Para magkalaman naman raw to.
Para siyang small talaga.
There you go. Puro croaker guys. You can hear the croak. Like frog.
Ayun, isa
Croaking.
pa. Akin na lang.
Spot.
Ay, dalawa.
Ganda. Ay, may ano? Banak.
Banak? Asan? Asan banak?
Ay, yung sardines.
Asan ang malet?
Ayan, oh. Ay, mali.
Sardines nga raw yan.
Sardines ba yan?
Ang lalaki ng sardinas dito. So what happened dyan, brother?
Alam mo guys, kanagat ng shark.
Oh, juvenile shark. Guys, that's how sharp their...
Hindi putol straight eh.
Yeah,
May ano siya, curve.
yeah, that's how sharp their teeth are. So that's why guys, that night we went fishing. It's really scary. We saw like 3 juvenile shark. Even though they're still small, they get sharp teeth. It's really dangerous.
Yung naka-orange. English speaking lang ha, boss.
Let us show us the
Yan,
catch.
yung naka-pink.
It's almost full. All right. Oh, mallet. Is that mallet? Yeah,
Next,
mallet
merong
fish.
ano, yung pampano.
Wala.
Nice. Oh, all right.
Wala.
So guys, that's the moon almost full, but not yet. So it's almost 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. or 1:30 a.m. here in Virginia Beach.
Oh, yun ang malit. Laki oh.
Uy, doon mo na.
Mallet. Wow, ang laki guys ng mallet. So another catch over there.
Maingay. May croquet.
There you go. Nice. Oh, ang laki nung isa. Oh, brother, ikuhanin mo yung pinakamalaki. Ano ba yan? Spot? Croaker. Oh, ng lapad oh. Hindi makita, brother. Itayo mo konti. Ayan, no? Ang laki, croaker. Wow, ang laki nun. So pa dito, oh.
Sana mag-ihaw.
Ihaw,
Tapos
oh.
maggulay tayo.
Andiyan yung kalan. Ayun, ang laki nung ano, spot. Mallet.
Ha?
Guys, ayan ang mallet.
Ano, painit natin yung pansit, pakain natin.
Malit na ba yan?
Isang dangkal ko, malaki pa. Mallet.
Ano na nahuhuli may blue fish, may mallet. Ang ganda ng mallet.
Okay.
Okay, may dalag. Basa ayun.
We're gonna call it a night. The air is getting stronger. It's getting colder. It's almost 3 a.m. in the morning. So this is the final catch. Let's take a look at the cooler. There you go for the one cooler. This is the other cooler. This is the catch. There you go. And this is the third cooler. So there you go. Not that much, but we have fun tonight. So the gang, they're all wrapping up the nets way over there. So you can see The wind is getting stronger. So it's time to go home. So until next time, guys. Getting ready to move. So bye for now.